Hi there and welcome to Animating.com. In this free tutorial series we're going to cover how to make a cartoon hammer animation which was used as a placeholder while Animating.com was being designed. This tutorial series is aimed at beginner to intermediate 3D artists and will be using 3D Studio Max, Photoshop, and After Effects. However, be mindful that these methods can be used in other software packages as well. We will start the series off with modeling. Using a box modeling method, we will cover different tools and techniques available to us in 3D Studio Max to speed up our workflow. From here we will use the toon shader on a model to give us a 2D style render. During this texturing stage we'll briefly discuss UV unwrapping while making the textures for our eyes. Once our asset is complete, we will then start to create an animatable skeleton system. This system will be created with animators in mind and will keep all control of our character down to a minimal amount of controllers for animation. After our character is rigged in skin, we will then start to block out our poses for animation. For these poses we will use an animatic which will be supplied to you in your project source files. From here we will fine-tune our animation and prep it for rendering. At this stage we will be able to make final changes and touch-ups to our project in After Effects, and then we will be left with a final deliverable video file. Please note that this series of tutorials was not originally meant to be part of an entire series, and also note that the audio is not of the greatest quality. In future tutorials this audio correction has been fixed, so please check out the tutorials at alimonroe.com. Okay, so we have a lot to cover in this series, so let's get started.